Subscribe to my channel BootTerns, and for notification of new videos hit the bell icon.
Welcome back to another videos. Today's video is about the online shopping that we do from Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, all these things. So there is a huge innovations in terms of delivery. Yes, just a year before online shopping was not that popular. Correct? Yes, but nowadays online shopping has become one of the biggest market in terms of online shopping. Now it allows you to buy anything from the online shopping market. Yes, from the innerwear to the groceries to the gadgets, products are available in online marketing. In this video I am gonna show you the way of those product delivery that you ordered just by the clicking of a button. Yes, and those products are robots. Yes, now the human being will not be there to deliver your products, but robot will be there. Now what are those robots? Without wasting time, let's get started. This is me, Dayasankar, and you are watching BootTerns. As of now, the person is delivering your products to your doorsteps, correct? But Amazon is trying to develop a system or a method or a robot which will deliver your product to your doorstep. Yes, which will deliver your product to your doorstep. And what is that? Is the first one is Amazon Scout. Yes, Amazon Scout, which is developed in R&D in Seattle, and it is a fully electric delivery system. It is a fully electric delivery system which will deliver your products at your doorstep. This robot is designed to deliver customers your products at your doorstep. This robot is integrated with different sensors which will allow the product to deliver to your doorstep without any help of any humans. Yes, this is integrated with high technology to automate the delivery system in online shopping. So what will be the size of this robot? The size of this robot is not that big, but the size of a smaller cooler. It will be a small cooler size which will roll along the sidewalks and paces and deliver to your doorstep. The system will be initiated at your doorstep, which will open the dock and you will have the products inside it. However, you have to collect your products from the inside of the dock. Since this delivery is done by the robot, what is the guarantee that my product will be safe and all the people, all the struggles that comes on the sidewalk, it will be preventing? Yes, the question is high, but don't worry, Amazon has taken care of it. Amazon has integrated this device with high technology and sensors to avoid the fraud relations, and it handles all these obstacles, whether that is a person, pets or any obstacles on its delivery routes. It navigates through its delivery route, which will be injected by a delivery man, and it navigates through the same route as like a Google map and delivers your product at your doorstep. So the delivery time by this robot is fixed, that is within Monday to Friday in daytimes only. And you might have thought, you might be listening this as a fairy tales, but this is not a fairy tales. It has been implemented. Yes, the implementation of this robot has been started in Snohomish country, Washington. Yes, Snohomish country is Washington. This implementation of robot delivery system is being implemented and it's working fine. So you will be getting, let's expect you will be getting this robot in India, and I hope this will be cool to see. So the next one is Amazon Prime Air. Yes, Amazon Prime Air. Basically, on my research, this Amazon Prime Air is for all the Prime members. Yes, it will deliver your products within 30 minutes of your order time. Yes, let's get into it. How does this works? So the testing has been already done for this Amazon Prime Air, but however the implementation is still remain. They are still on their way to research some better features and implement in such a way that the security will be in hand. So how it works is, this is how the robots is going to deliver your products at your doorstep without having a human manpower. Yes, this will save lots of time, and I hope this will be implemented in India and as soon as possible. So I think this is a very good innovations in terms of product delivery, online product deliveries. So I guess you like this video and you like this technology, and let me know in comment below what do you think about this delivery system if it is implemented in India. In the comment section below, I'll be waiting for your comments, your suggestions. Let me see. And if you really like this video, please share with your friends, like this video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And we will see you in the next video with something techie, pushing the limit of technology.